Good day everyone, thank you for visiting my channel again. Today I'm going to talk about how to use home remedies to have a glass skin immediately. Tips for glass skin. Your skin says an awful lot about you, because what you eat and your lifestyle choices are all reflected in your complexion. Sure, you can use makeup to hide a multitude of sins, but truly glowing and gorgeous looking skin can only be gained naturally. Getting clear and youthful looking skin is nowhere near as difficult as you might think. I'm going to tell you about easy beauty tips for glowing skin. Vaseline and Colgate toothpaste. Take 2 tablespoons of Vaseline and same quantity of Colgate toothpaste, mix together in a small bowl, and apply it all over your body, then leave on your skin for 30 minutes, before bathing and get the results immediately. Your body. Losing that surface layer of dead skin cells will immediately brighten up your skin and give glass skin immediately. Use this twice in a week will keep your skin in great condition and make it look a lot fresher, cleaner, brighter. It is probably one of the most important beauty tips for glowing skin. Steam facial. Steaming your skin will clean it deep down and help stop blackheads and pimples forming. Just hold your head over a bowl of steaming water, with a towel draped over the top of your head, for about 10 minutes. The steam and the heat will soften the skin and it will help to flush out some of the toxins too. Make a regular weekly date with a steam facial and watch the condition of your skin improve. Moisturize daily. You'd have thought there would be no need to include this bit of advice in our beauty tips for glowing skin, but you'll be surprised at how many women don't use a moisturizer every day. Moisturizing, day and night, is probably the simplest and the most important step you can take toward clear, glowing skin. It will also help stop lines and wrinkles from forming, so why wouldn't you do it? I hope this helps you get the desired results. If you have any query, then feel free to ask in the comment section below. Also share about your results. Stay tuned with Bloody Beauty Home, to get more beauty ideas. Thank you once again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share with family and friends. Have a wonderful time ahead.